Hello and welcome back to 4x4 Insight Garage. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the world of LED light bars, a game changer in off-road lighting for your four-wheel drive. Whether you're a seasoned off-roader or just getting started, understanding the tech behind these lights is crucial to enhancing your nighttime drives. LED light bars have revolutionized the way we light up the trail. But what makes them so special? Let's start with their brightness. Imagine cruising through the darkest trails with a light bar that can output anywhere from 2,000 to a staggering 20,000 lumens. This level of brightness is not just about seeing the path ahead. It's about illuminating it as if it were daylight. But it's not all about power. It's also about efficiency. These LED light bars are designed to consume minimal power, ranging typically from 10 to 300 watts. This efficient power consumption means they won't drain your Ford's battery, ensuring a longer, more enjoyable off-road experience without compromising on performance. Now, let's talk longevity. In the world of off-road lighting, durability is key. LED light bars boast an impressive lifespan, lasting between 30,000 to 50,000 hours. This is a significant upgrade compared to traditional lighting options. And size? LED light bars come in a variety of sizes to fit your specific needs. From compact 4-inch models perfect for tight spaces to massive 50-inch bars that span the width of your vehicle, there's an LED light bar for every FordWD enthusiast. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the performance of these LED light bars in various environmental conditions and compare them with traditional lighting options. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to 4x4 Insight Garage for more insights into FordWD accessories and upgrades. Let's delve into how LED light bars perform under the harsh conditions of off-roading and see how they stack up against traditional halogen and HID lights. When facing the unpredictability of the outdoors, LED light bars prove their mettle. Whether it's navigating through a storm, tackling dust-filled paths, or enduring extreme temperature fluctuations, these lights are built tough. They come equipped with robust features like waterproof and dustproof capabilities, ensuring reliable performance in any environment. Now, let's illuminate the differences between LED, halogen, and HID lights. Halogens, the old guard of vehicle lighting, are affordable but lag in efficiency and brightness. HID lights, brighter than halogens, still fall short in energy efficiency compared to LEDs. Here, LED light bars take the lead with their unmatched efficiency, providing more light per watt, which is crucial for conserving energy during those long off-road adventures. Durability is another arena where LEDs outshine the rest. With a lifespan that dwarfs that of halogens and HIDs, LED light bars stand as a testament to longevity, drastically reducing the need for frequent replacements and maintenance. But it's not just about lasting longer. It's about being cost-effective. While the initial investment in LED light bars might be higher, their extended lifespan and lower energy consumption translate to substantial savings over time, making them a wise choice for the cost-conscious off-roader. Up next, we'll explore the compatibility of these LED light bars with different FordWD models and delve into real-world user experiences regarding their durability and visibility enhancement. When it comes to fitting LED light bars on your four-wheel drive, versatility is the name of the game. These lights are designed to adapt to a wide range of vehicles, thanks to innovative mounting systems and brackets. Whether you're driving a popular off-road model or have a custom setup, there's an LED light bar that's just right for your FordWD. This adaptability makes LED light bars a favorite among FordWD enthusiasts for their ease of installation and universal fit. But how do these lights fare in the real world? We turn to you, the off-road community, for the answers. The feedback has been overwhelmingly positive. Many of you shared experiences of your LED light bars enduring the toughest off-road conditions, from rugged terrains to harsh weather, and coming out unscathed. This durability is a testament to the quality and resilience of LED technology in off-road settings. Visibility enhancement is another aspect where LED light bars excel, according to your feedback. Many drivers have noticed a significant improvement in their nighttime visibility, making those challenging off-road excursions safer. The ability of these lights to pierce through fog, dust, and darkness has been a game changer for many, transforming night drives into more confident and secure journeys. As we continue to push the boundaries of off-road exploration, the compatibility and real-world performance of LED light bars stand as crucial factors in enhancing our adventures. In our next segment, we'll explore the latest technological advancements in LED light bars. So, stay tuned, and if you're loving this in-depth look, don't forget to hit that like button and share your LED light bar stories in the comments below. As we reach the finale of today's episode at 4x4 Insight Garage, let's illuminate the cutting-edge advancements in LED light bar technology and their impact on the future of off-roading. The LED light bar industry isn't just evolving, it's revolutionizing off-road lighting. One of the most exciting developments is the integration of smart technology. Imagine LED light bars that automatically adjust their brightness based on environmental conditions. This feature enhances safety and convenience, adapting your lighting to changing conditions, from well-lit highways to dark, off-road trails. Advancements in optics are taking LED light bars to new heights. Engineers are refining lens and reflector designs to optimize light distribution, ensuring a more focused beam and improved overall illumination. This means better visibility on the trail, with reduced blind spots and a safer driving experience. The trend towards eco-friendly technology is gaining momentum in the LED light bar industry. We're seeing a shift towards not only energy-efficient but also sustainably manufactured LED lights. This eco-conscious approach appeals to off-roaders who value environmental responsibility alongside performance. In terms of design, LED light bars are becoming more than just functional. They're stylish. Modern designs are sleek, adding an aesthetic appeal to your 4WD while offering top-notch performance. This integration of style and functionality ensures that your off-road vehicle looks as good as it performs. As we wrap up this comprehensive look at LED light bars, it's clear that these are more than just accessories. They are essential tools for any off-road adventure. Their unmatched efficiency, versatility, and technological advancements make them indispensable for the modern off-roader. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the dynamic world of LED light bars. If you found this series enlightening, hit that like button, share it with fellow off-roaders, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to 4x4 Insight Garage for the latest in 4WD tips, gear, and adventures. Until next time, stay safe, explore boldly, and light up your off-road journeys with the best gear out there.